French door. And what we need for this is a water spray gun, warm water, bit of sunlight liquid for dishwashing, and off we go. I have my brother Stephen helping me again today, which I really appreciate. So if you like this video, press the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for future notifications. And if you have comments, I'd really like you to share them. Of course, we make mistakes and lots of them. So please point those out and let us know so we can do better next time and we all learn from each other. Let's dive right into it. Rolling out the vinyl so we can measure how much we need. And we are going to begin cutting it to size. When cutting it, leave about 10 mils on either side, which will be cut off later. Having cleaned the glass with an alcohol-based substance, we now spray on the mixture of warm water and dishwashing liquids. Next, remove the vinyl backing and spray the applied side with warm water and sunlight liquid. Flip the vinyl over so the side to be applied to the glass is face down. Put it in over the glass and begin the squeezing out of water process while the door is still flat before we stand it up to get rid of excess water.
Getting it pushed hard in.
Now we start
cutting on the top, Steve.
Cutting the vinyl to size using a metal ruler,
So I'm
a
probably
standing
cutting
knife
excess,
all around the edges.
I mean, what I mean by that, I've left a little space.
Now we start. A couple of final wipe downs and the job is finished. I think it looks pretty cool. Look forward to your comments. And the finished article. Looks good.